Hi, it's Jason Munson, the Pellet Stove Pro, and it's actually at the beginning of the pellet stove season, and I wanted to give you some good tips on how to get your stove ready for the season. And if it's in the middle of the season, then you actually can do this too if you haven't done a thorough deep cleaning on your stove. So let's get right to it. So the first thing that you can start doing with cleaning your stove is clean the burn area. So on my stove here, you'll notice that I have these fiber boards here in the back, and this piece of metal plate, there's a screw up on top and there's a screw down on the bottom. I can remove those on both sides and these back plates will come off. A lot of stoves have an area behind there where ash can collect, so at least once a year you should take off those back plates. They're called Cera board or fiber board, and clean as much as you can, vacuum as much as you can back behind there. The other area that you want to clean is going around here to the side. This is the combustion motor, and this is another area where you can get a lot of soot and buildup. There's four on my pellet stove. There's 4 screws that hold the motor into the housing. You should take off the motor and reach back up in there and vacuum as much as you can possibly get to. And then the final area here is the chimney. What happens is as ash goes out this direction into this T here, it'll actually fill up over time. So most T's like this one do have a bottom cap on it, and you can take off that bottom cap and stick your vacuum cleaner up there. If you've got a set of brushes, then you can actually brush out your chimney, get it up a little bit higher, get more of that ash out of there. You also notice that I have some metal tape on my chimney in a few spots. This is because this chimney has gotten older and it's lost some of its integrity for being able to keep the smoke in the pipe. So if you're smelling smoke, that is a really good spot to start checking, and this is metal tape. You can buy it at most hardware stores. You should do this run through at the beginning of each and every season, and if you're burning a lot of pellets, let's say you're burning 4 or 5 tons of pellets in your pellet stove each year, then you may want to do this twice a year and get it cleaned out. It really affects the efficiency and the burn rate of the stove. As always, you can email me at ebay@jasonrmunson.com or call me at 530-409-5051 if you need any help, but otherwise, have a great winter.